the entire process, and our Russian-built automobile are genuinely captivating.
An impressively high-quality machine that adheres to global standards of excellence.
Brand.
This is Russia's gold.
Metal structures stand here, though many assume it's unclear how such pillars endure. Suspensions are being re-engineered here, allowing machines to hang for operators to assemble them from below in the future.
Alexander Smirnov is an engineer by specialty, but recently he often conducts excursions to his native Aurus plant in Tatarstan because he knows the enterprise thoroughly, but he has been working here since the day I was founded.
It must be somewhere here. I am still wearing glasses.
I'm sitting.
This photo is very special to Alexander. It was made during the opening of the plant, and this year the enterprise celebrates its first anniversary. May 31, serial production of Aurus cars turns 5 years old. Protection.
Commence large-scale serial manufacturing operations.
Permission.
Well,
The plant operates in the Alabuga Special Economic Zone, employing 250 people who manufacture the Aurus Senat sedan and the Commandant SUV, showcasing their production expertise.
here, right in front of you, the Senate is gathering in a car. Can you see how they are?
Alexander recalls that when he learned that the production of Auruses would be launched in Tatarstan, he immediately wanted to work there. One of the main reasons the president drives cars of this brand.
As you know, I drive such cars regularly, enjoying their performance and design. I have been driving myself several times.
Indeed, Vladimir Putin can often be seen driving the Aurus. Here he personally stops by his teacher Vera Gurevich to take her to dinner in the Kremlin.
Influence.
But he offers a ride to the presidents of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, Kassym-Jomart Tokayev and Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Aurus.
Of course, it was created for the task of maximum strength. For example, we have a platform solution. It was originally designed for an armored vehicle. This means that all purchasers of serial cars that we produce in the Republic of Tatarstan have basically the same characteristics as armored vehicles in their platform solution.
In world history, the formation of expensive car brands took a decade. As for Russia, work on the creation of a unified modular platform Aurus began in 2013, and the plant was opened in 2021, and this path from project to serial assembly was not easy. Russia did not launch automobile enterprises for a long time.
A large number of foreign brands that were present in Russia launched their enterprises, but they already had a trail trodden, and they were engaged more in what is called scaling. When you have 12 plants and you have 13, or you have 24, you have 25. In our case, we had to build a factory that didn't exist.
The start of serial production was also complicated by the pandemic.
Our whole journey is a path with obstacles because we opened the factory when we were at the height of COVID. This certainly left its mark on work, both actual and in the everyday sense work, yes, and in how employees of communists and so on.
Many employees had to be retrained because they had no experience with luxury cars.
Igor, well, how are you? Everything is fine? Everything is fine?
Correctly developed instructions help employees to perform their work clearly, says the leading engineer, technologist Evgeny Vdovin.
My role involves designing technological processes, which essentially means crafting detailed assembly cards to streamline production.
Where are the steps for the operator? What should he do and how should he do it?
Eugene chose his profession thanks to his mother. She worked for Presso in the Iranian Kamaz plant. Her stories are interesting and accessible to the understanding of every person, even not connected with the automotive industry, still help to teach young colleagues, says Evgeny. It helps. Activation, do I understand correctly that every employee has a tablet like this? Why do you need it?
This is a digital car assembly instruction.
All software is domestic, creating software. The developers try to take into account the various requests of engineers. For example, through the tablet, you can order the delivery of parts to your site. Many parts of the car are assembled manually, but still sometimes without the help of robots cannot do. For example, why carry heavy loads when you can entrust them to a Russian robotic cart? It will deliver everything you need directly to the workplace and no extra load on the person. This shop is also equipped with robots.
Here we can now observe one of the two advanced robotic systems diligently at work. It's functioning seamlessly now.
The production process of aluminum hoods boasts a unique characteristic, the omission of traditional welding techniques. Instead, aluminum riveting, a cutting-edge method, has been innovatively termed as wedding. What does this marriage metaphor signify?
Here we go. The engine and the body are friends with each other, therefore.
It's called a wedding.
Head of the Republic of Tatarstan, Rustam Minnikhanov believes that the enterprise has become successful largely thanks to highly qualified specialists.
This automobile embodies the pinnacle of modern technology. To conceptualize, design, and launch mass production within such a condensed time frame is a testament to the extraordinary dedication of so many talented individuals.
During the grand opening day of the facility, a multitude of distinguished guests arrived. They were introduced with professionalism, and Raisa herself interacted personally, shaking their hands, a profoundly memorable and exhilarating moment that may remain forever etched in my heart. A valuable award for me
In 2022, the plant faced another sanction problem.
We had certain partners who persistently sought collaborations, yet these interactions were heavily constrained. Consequently, we were compelled to swiftly pivot to alternative partnerships, identify trustworthy collaborators, and rigorously ensure the quality standards essential to our operations.
Supplying components from abroad is a common practice in the automotive industry. For example, German companies often ordered spare parts from Asia or Eastern Europe. It came out cheaper. Russia went another way and it turned out to be even for the better, say scientists of the Central Automotive and Automotive Institute NAMI.
We have honestly developed our own industry with the possibility of using materials that were not previously used in our car engine building.
Each Aurus car is more than 4,500 parts. They are provided by more than 300 Russian suppliers. So the reluctance of Western companies to cooperate with the plant has led at least to the development of a domestic ecosystem of auto component manufacturers. Just look at the 600 horsepower Aurus engine.
Each element of the engine has a certain set of materials there, their properties. For example, the engine is all aluminum. It's not just aluminum, this is an aluminum alloy of materials, but the working surfaces have certain coatings. Yes, for example, the surface of our cylinder is a cast iron insert of 2.5 millimeters, which allows us to ensure the necessary reliability and strength.
The Ministry of Industry and Trade helped to find reliable domestic suppliers. For example, veneers from the root of black poplar. This tree grows in the European part of Russia, and leather for interior upholstery is produced in Ryazan.
Also the highest quality of the highest category leather.
The employees of the plant are sure that the use of exclusively their Russian materials affects the appearance of the car. What is the nature of the Senat?
Remarkably formal, I must say.
Alexander Dushkin, engineer, mechanic with 30 years of experience. Over the years, he managed to work at automobile enterprises Togliatti Ijevsk and also Ulyanovsk. Thanks to the launch of the plant, Aurus returned home to Tatarstan. Working in this company is called a great success.
You know it like a seagull, right? This is the seagull that we once had. The actual government zeal, a little angular, but it also had a lot of technical solutions, and the seagull is really beautiful.
We took a luxury perception from the seagull. This one, as young people now say, is a luxury vibe, but in our case we were still inspired by the ZI 110 car.
ZS 110. One post-war car for the highest officials of the state in SSSR, it became a symbol of Soviet technological progress. Its production began in 1945. The same values are conveyed by Aurus, eliminating dependence on foreign car manufacturers.
When assembled, the car goes through all the stages inherent in the technological process. This inspection and testing is a small mileage test when leaving the factory. It fully meets all safety requirements.
Additional protection is also created by special speed switching technologies.
In modern cars, almost everywhere the lever is finished. The transmission is no longer electronic and you performed mechanical actions choosing this or that transmission. In fact, you just send an electronic signal which through the module interacts with the box, and the box understands that the owner wants to make a movement there forward and backward and so on. We have this cable switching which, for example, in this sense provides safety in some emergency situation.
Such nuances are one of the reasons for the demand for cars. Most often, the Senat and Commandant are purchased by men older than 5 years in Moscow, St. Petersburg, and Kazan.
Of course, it's already difficult to surprise them in something. But the opportunity to look at your own car during the assembly process and even participate somewhere, we gave you the key there, which means we added several fasteners. Fix it already. Well, that's great. And this is something that many brands cannot provide, including in global practice.
The individuality of the cars is manifested, including in the coloring. The color of Russian gold is exactly how the name Aurus is deciphered. Bring cars to the shine of precious metals. Alina's task with Mogilova.
In front of you is the hood, now we will polish it.
Alina has been painting cars for 9 years. The profession came by accident on the advice of a friend who noticed that Alina likes to draw.
This profession is deeply meaningful to me.
What do you like about her?
I like to see my result.
It turns out all the diseases that we have seen in this enterprise.
Here they are,
Such.
brilliant shining, because for them,
You took it.
Well, not just me. Do I have my colleagues?
Colleagues supported Alina when she decided to participate in the Republican competition of working professions. This year she took second place. Alexander Smirnov believes that in order to attract young people, it is important to properly promote the work at the plant, especially if it is such an innovative enterprise as Aurus. Not everyone knows that even the glacier is turned on here, with the help of smart technologies.
It will rotate in the event that the operator takes a special scanner, scans the VIN number of this car, that is, what car he will now collect. This allows us to follow a fully assembled car.
Today, the plant is preparing for the release of the restyling version, and Aurus Senat changes in the technical capabilities of the car are still kept secret.
New accounts are appearing there. We will definitely show them literally in the coming months.
To release the updated Senat of the Enterprise for 2 months slowed down the pace of production on the internet. This event did not go unnoticed. Rumors spread that the factory closed, and now we find out how it really happened.
Can you pinpoint the exact time frame when the equipment began to arrive?
As a result of the new equipment and machinery, all labor activities were temporarily halted to facilitate modernization efforts.
Engineers talk about constantly improving cars, inspiring the opportunity to personally conduct test drives.
I feel immense pride that our incredibly talented Russian designers achieved such remarkable implementations. I'm deeply immersed in engineering ideas, crafting exceptional cars, and filled with pride to be part of this endeavor. I design, refine, and strive to innovate in automobile creation. More comfortable.
Evgeny hopes that the family dynasty will continue. The daughter, despite the fact that she is only 8 years old, interested in Aurusami, for example, carefully watches the victory parade.
Greetings, dear friends. Today is a celebration of togetherness with family. I brought her to this venue where she explored and sat in every car with curiosity.
As befits the luxury segment, each Aurus car is the result of jewelry work.
The factory is doing great with it.
Serial production ensures painstaking manual labor, scientific research and introduction of advanced technologies, and also the willingness to educate new generations of specialists, because it is on them that the further development of the Russian automotive industry depends.